Welcome to all students. How are you? And today is topic taking chapter second and topic eating for weight control. Eating for weight control. What do we eating and which habits to reduce weight and gain weight? All conditions we study in today classes. Yesterday we have discussing about the non-nutritive food, nutritive food and vitamins and minerals. What today discuss about how to control your weight and how to gain your weight, which pitfall in your diet and food intolerance, healthy weight, pitfall of your dieting, food intolerance and food myths, all discussed in today's classes. So first, in eating for weight control comes under 4 points. 4 point, first point, healthy weight. Second point, pitfall, means pitfall of dieting. Which pitfall we can say, which things to reduce your, which things to implement in your dieting when you harmful to your body. So now second, pitfall of your dieting. Now third, food intolerance. Now food intolerance. Now food myth. Now food myth. We study it clearly in 4 points. For eating, for weight control, healthy weight, pitfall of your dieting, food intolerance and food myth. We will discuss it clearly. Now first, before proceeding my topic, and we will discuss the explanation part in each and every point in today's classes. So first we will discuss about healthy weight. What is a healthy weight? And according to paper publishing by the American National Institute of Health, healthy weight was defined. A healthy weight is considered to one that is between 19 to 25 BMI. And BMI between 25 to 29 consider overweight, and greater the weight person consider obese. So in healthy weight we can calculate ancient healthy weight in ancient country in Asia, all country in Asia and European countries different BMI, because different environment condition, different body composition and different dieting and our culture. So different BMI implemented in Asian countries and different BMI implemented in European countries. So according to WHO, recommended by the publishing paper in American National Institute of Health. American National Institute of Health paper published. So a healthy weight called BMI under 19 to 25. Healthy weight called BMI under 19 to 25. Whose persons comes BMI under in this category, so that is called healthy weight of individual. But that is not implemented most effectively in any sports person. Yes, some drawbacks comes here. We can say that some exceptions comes in our sports field, because in sports field regularly engage in physical activity. So normal BMI not implemented in physical activity student. So physical activity student, we can say that elite personality. So that area comes under in a normal population, comes under in a normal peoples, as sedentary peoples in Asian countries. European countries different BMI implemented. In Asian countries, BMI implement 1925 is called healthy weight. So our healthy weight decided by the height and weight according. So, and this BMI result, first recommended BMI formula. First we will discuss about BMI formula. BMI mainly depend only two terms. Height and weight. Ratio of height and weight is called BMI. Height in meter, weight in kg. Height in meter, weight in kg. That is normally BMI implemented in our daily life to identify healthy weight, a healthy body of any individual. So we will discuss BMI formula. See there. Calculating of BMI of individual. Formula says that weight in kg. Formula says that weight in kg and height in meter, but 2 times represent 2 times multiply height. We can say that height is square. So that ratio called BMI. So in calculating BMI comes under different range. First range. So here in calculating BMI we need everyone weight and everyone height. It is necessary in meter. So without the two terms, we not decided the BMI of individual. So according to WHO, different category represent in different formula, different range. So that is a formula, that is main formula. Please note down it. That is a very important formula, because that is calculating your healthy weight of any individual and any senior peoples. Write down please. Now, some range is described by according to WHO. WHO ने एक रेंज रिकमेंड की है जो हेल्दी वेट है, ओबीस हैं, नॉर्मल वेट है, ओबीस क्लास 1 है, ओबीस क्लास 2 है, उनके लिए. सो हम चार्ट डिस्कस करेंगे. According to WHO, category and BMI. First category. First category underweight. First category underweight. Underweight BMI range below the 18.5. If BMI comes under 18.5, below the 18.5, so that is called underweight. That is a dangerous zone. And now second, normal weight. Now second, normal weight. Normal weight criteria 18.5 to 24.9. So that criteria comes under a normal weight. We can say that healthy weight. That is recommended by the WHO. According to WHO, this chart and mention these values. So 18.5 to 24.9 that comes under the normal value. Now third, overweight. Overweight criteria. Whose whose person having overweight, so that is comes under on this BMI category. If BMI fall in this range, so that is comes under normal weight. If BMI below the 18.5 range, so that is comes under underweight. Now we will discuss overweight. Overweight category is 25 to 29.9. 25 to 5.5 to 25 to 29.9. 25 to 29.9, that is comes under a overweight criteria. Now obese criteria, we can say that obesity criteria comes under the above 30 to 30 obesity class 1. Obesity class 1 comes under 30 to 34. 4.9, that is obese class 1. Now fifth obese class, obese class second, 35 to 39. Obese class second comes under 35 to 39.9. Now obesity class third. Now obese class third. Obese class third above the 40 range. Above the 40 range. So that range comes under according to WHO to input BMI according to the real age to decide different criteria, different classification. Now first underweight, if your BMI comes under suppose 90 at 20, so that comes under underweight criteria. That's come under underweight criteria. That's come under underweight criteria. If you have normal weight, so comes under 18.5 to 29.9. Underweight category below the 18.5. यदि आपका BMI 18.5 से नीचे है, so that comes under underweight. If normal weight category is 18.5 to 29.9, so that comes under normal weight. Suppose your BMI 21, so you have having in a normal weight. If you have more than 25 BMI or 26 BMI, we can say that, so that's classified comes under overweight criteria. Overweight criteria comes under 25 to 29. So that is overweight criteria. And obese classification, obese first 30 to 34.9. 30 to 34.9 comes under obese class 1. And obese class second comes under above the 35 to and between 39.9, that is obese class second. And obese class third above the 40. Above the 40 you have put having in it above the 40 BMI, so that is your obese class. We will understand with example. Suppose if your weight in kg is 60 kg. Example. Weight 60 kg. Height 1.70 meter. And calculating BMI. Here BMI formula, weight upon height. Weight in kg, kg 60 kg. Then height in meter, 1.7 meter into 1.7 meter. Now calculating 1.7 meter centimeter. कैलकुलेट कीजिए, निकालिए फॉर्मूला, कैलकुलेट प्लीज, कैलकुलेट। 60 divided by 2.89. Please calculating this value, you can find a some value that is comes under in this category. So that is the criteria according to WHO. Criteria classified according to WHO. So you can find your value under comes in this category. So please calculating it with example and BMI. That is comes 20.11 something else, that is comes under in a normal weight, comes under in a normal weight, because your BMI comes 20 point something something, so that is comes under 18.5 to 24.5 के बीच में आएगी. So this value this person is called healthy weight, we can say that normal weight. Note down please. Now question is that कि how to maintain our healthy weight, how to maintain our healthy weight. First, setting in your life goal. If we can say that any setting your goal कि आप एक महीने में आपका फैट आपको तो डिसॉल्व करना है, आपको स्टोमक वैली को घटाना है. So first identify or first decide your, we can say that first goal setting. Then health not wealth is a key policy, because first priority give your health, then second priority give your wealth. So that priority give in your life, so you can achieve your goal. And control calorie count. If you eating more and more required more and more calorie out from your requirements, so you gain more and more weight in your body, and in a glucose form that is stored in your muscles and liver. So that is accumulation and develop your fat. So raising the different activities. So please count your daily requirement calorie and not excessive and not less amount from your requirements, so you can maintain your body weight. Change lifestyle for better. Change lifestyle, we can say that in today life, in our most of the work from sitting places, so change lifestyles. In morning doing workout, evening play some sports. So that is change in your lifestyles. Lifestyle change, we can say that change in your routine work. Now get supposed to doing yoga, saying no fatty food found, no, avoid the fatty foods, and avoid overeating, avoid carbohydrate rich foods. Avoid carbohydrate rich foods means not more carbohydrate rich foods eating. You can eat some but not more and not less. That is some basic concept of maintain healthy weight. And doing exercise regularly and stay avoid to the any drug, alcohol, anything else, and cigarettes, extras. So that is maintain healthy weight. Now we will talk about pitfall of your dieting. Pitfall of dieting. What is the pitfall of dieting? In today era, maintain healthy physiques to maintain a zero figure. So most of the women and men reduce our calorie diet, and extreme reduction in your diet. So that is extreme and sudden reduction in your diet. So that is more danger for your life and more danger for your health purpose. So first pitfall is extreme reduction in calorie. First, extreme reduction in your calorie. Don't doing extreme reduction in your calorie. That is one of the most and very important pitfall of your dieting. So avoid this. Don't extreme and don't sudden reduction on your diet. That is danger for your life. And because every day normal people want eating calorie, 1800 calorie to 1000 calorie, but reduction in most will suppose you eating only 900 calories, so your fat reduced and most of the hormone disbalance and most of the disbalance functioning homeostasis process disturbed in your body. So please maintain your requirement calorie and don't extreme reduction. We can say don't sudden reduction in your calorie burning. Now restriction of selected nutrients. पिटफॉल क्या है? पिटफॉल ये है कि उसके पिटफॉल ये है कि हम अपने उसको चीजों को नहीं लेते, अवॉइड करते हैं, उनके नुकसान, डाइटिंग के नुकसान, वी कैन सी दैट हार्मफुल ऑफ डाइटिंग, सो दैट इज कम्स इन, वी कैन सी दैट पिटफॉल. सो फर्स्ट पिटफॉल एक्सट्रीम रिडक्शन इन कैलोरी, सेकंड पिटफॉल एक्सट्रीम रिडक्शन, सेकंड पिटफॉल रेस्ट्रिक्शन ऑफ सेलेक्टेड न्यूट्रिशंस, रेस्ट्रिक्शन selected selected nutrients. Now skipping meal. Skipping meal, intake of calorie through drinking. First, extreme reduction in your calorie. Second, restricted selected of nutrients, restricted selected nutrients. रेस्ट्रिक्ट करना, जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स फूड हम उन्हें नहीं लेते, तो ये कहीं ना कहीं डाइटिंग का नुकसान है. या वी कैन से दैट हम अपनी बॉडी को अच्छा बनाने के लिए या मेंटेन करने के लिए ऐसी डाइट को अवॉइड करते हैं, न्यूट्रिशंस को अवॉइड करते हैं, दैट इज हार्मफुल है हमारे लिए. सो रेस्ट्रिक्टेड सेलेक्टेड न्यूट्रिएंट्स, तो ऐसे रेस्ट्रिक्टेड सेलेक्टेड न्यूट्रिएंट्स के फूड को उन्हें छोड़ना नहीं है. देन स्किपिंग मील. अब अपनी डाइटिंग के चक्कर में आप क्या करते हैं, टाइम पे डाइट नहीं लेना, स्किप कर देना मील को, मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट मील को स्किप कर देना, आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट मील को स्किप कर देना, दैट इज वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर योर हेल्थ. सो डोंट स्किपिंग योर मील. नाउ इनटेक ऑफ कैलोरी थ्रू ड्रिंकिंग. व्हेन वी ईटिंग मोर एंड मोर, सो दैट इज consume more and more calorie and working of your digestive system. If you intake calorie through drinking, so that is not more adopted in your body, and that is harmful because that is extreme. If we can say that is quick and rapid increase in your calorie, so that is harmful because जब भी हम एकदम से या अपने बॉडी या वी कैन से दैट हम जब भी अपने नेचर के अगेंस्ट जाते हैं तो कोई ना कोई नुकसान होता है. तो हम ड्रिंकिंग से क्या करते हैं, जल्दी से कैलोरी लेने की कोशिश करते हैं, वो हमारी बॉडी को नुकसान पहुंचाता है. ये नहीं करना चाहिए, कहीं ना कहीं अवॉइड करना है. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट फूड इंटॉलरेंस एंड फूड मिथ. Food intolerance. What is a food intolerance? Food intolerance is when person have difficulty digesting particular food. It sometimes referred to food sensitivity and various persons to person. So food intolerance, neither frequent nor fatal, can be due to dietary control. Food intolerance कब होता है? Caused by completed ineffective of the body enzyme responsible for breaking down and absorbing food. बिकॉज यू ईटिंग एक ही टाइप का खाना जब आप ज्यादा खाते रहते हो तो आपके बॉडी का जो एंजाइम है वो काम नहीं करती, तो आपसे बॉडी से डाइजेशन नहीं होता फूड का. सो आप उसे, जब हम बोलते हैं फूड एलर्जी हो गई हमें, सो उस फूड का डाइजेशन नहीं होना, सो उस क्योंकि पर्टिकुलर एंजाइम हमारी बॉडी में वर्क नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो इस वजह से फूड डाइजेशन नहीं हो रहा है, तो वो कहलाती है फूड इंटॉलरेंस. नॉट योर बॉडी नॉट अडोप्टिंग दिस टाइप्स ऑफ फूड, पर्टिकुलर फूड एंड मोर अमाउंट. आप यदि एक ही टाइप का खाना ज्यादा खाओगे तो आपकी बॉडी में एंजाइम नहीं होंगे और उसको ब्रेक डाउन नहीं करेंगे, तो इजीली डाइजेस्ट नहीं होता. ये इनके कारण है, बिकॉज ड्यू टू ऑफ लैक ऑफ एंजाइम. एंड सिम्टम्स क्या है? सिम्टम्स है जब आपको पेन होना, स्टोमक पेन होना, वॉमिट आना, डायरिया आना, गैस का बढ़ना, क्रैम्प आना, दैट इज सिम्टम्स ऑफ फूड इंटॉलरेंस. जब आपको फूड सूट नहीं कर रहा है या फूड आपको डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो रहा है, तो मैनेजमेंट कैसे करें? Only way was accurately recording time and duration of all symptoms and everything you eat, because maintain and diagnosis your problems and find solution and go to suggest from doctor and proper time and proper routine for your diet. That is a full endurance. And some we will discuss about food myth. Food myth. फूड मिथ। मिथ मीन्स आपकी मानसिकता जो बनी है, गलत मानसिकता जो बनी है, वो होता है फूड मिथ। तो फर्स्ट फूड मिथ है पोटैटो मेक यू ईट। पोटैटो मेक यू ईट। तो पोटैटोज खाना चाहिए। फैट फ्री प्रोडक्ट विल हेल्प यू लूज वेट। पोटैटो विल ईट पोटैटोज। मीन्स आप ज्यादा पोटैटो खाओ तो आपको कैलोरी मिलेगी, आप पोटैटो ही खाना, ये हमारा मिथ है। दूसरा मिथ है फैट फ्री फूड। फैट फ्री फूड विल हेल्प टू लूज वेट। फैट फ्री फूड वुड हेल्प टू रिड्यूस विल हेल्प टू लूज वेट। आपका जो फैट फ्री प्रोडक्ट होगा, जो उसमें फैट नहीं रहेगा, वो आपको वेट को लूज करेगा। सो ये हमारा मिथ है। यदि हमारी बॉडी में रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होगी उस अमाउंट ऑफ फैट की, तो हमारी बॉडी में अदर फंक्शंस भी काम नहीं करेंगे। हमारे बॉडी की ऑर्गन सिस्टम मेंटेन नहीं रहेंगे। हमारे बॉडी के जो ऑर्गन सिस्टम जो डिफरेंट इंपोर्टेंट ऑर्गन है उनका मेंटेनेंस नहीं रहेगा। एंड एग कॉज हार्ट प्रॉब्लम। एंड नेक्स्ट एंड मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट पिटफॉल मिथ कि आपको जो एग खाते हो वो आपको कहीं ना कहीं हार्ट प्रॉब्लम देता है। सो ये हमारे समाज में कहीं ना कहीं इस टाइप्स के फूड मिथ बने हुए हैं। सो रिक्वायरमेंट फूड मिथ ये हैं, ये गलत चीजें हैं, ये धारणाएं बना रखी हैं लोगों ने, बट हमें ऐसा नहीं करना है, इतना डिडक्शन नहीं करना है, अपनी बॉडी में मेंटेन करना है डेली न्यूट्रिशन की। दिस चैप्टर इज कंप्लीटेड। आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंड क्लियरली। थैंक यू। हैव अ नाइस डे।